When I first discovered AI tools, the temptation to use them to do the work for me was real. Quick answers, instant essays, shortcut everything. But it didn't feel right. I wasn't growing, I was just outsourcing my thinking. It was like having a personal tutor that knew everything and could explain anything in depth. And the results were powerful. I was learning more in less time and actually retaining the knowledge. AI became my tutor, not my cheat code. And that's the point. That's when I made a shift. Instead of using AI to cheat, I used it to learn faster. So use AI to help you stay motivated and on track by asking it to create a study plan for me or help me stay focused. You can even ask AI to congratulate me on my progress to help you celebrate your successes along the way. So here's how to use AI faster. First, ask better questions. By asking better questions, challenging your assumptions, testing your understanding, and holding yourself accountable, you can learn more in less time and actually retain the knowledge. So don't think of a guide as a crutch or a shortcut. Think of it as a tutor that can help you become the smartest version of yourself. For example, if you're working on a project and you're stuck, try asking if you can help me brainstorm creative solutions to this problem. This is a powerful way to learn because it forces you to articulate your thoughts and ideas clearly and concisely. You can do this by asking AI to explain this concept to a 5-year-old or summarize this article in one sentence. By doing this, you'll be able to identify gaps in your knowledge and understanding and then go back and fill them in. Or if you want to learn about a new topic, ask AI to teach me the key concepts of this topic in 100 words. By doing this, you'll be able to learn more effectively and efficiently. This is the most important step because how you phrase your question determines the quality of the answer you get. So instead of asking AI to write an essay about climate change, try something like, what are the 3 most important factors contributing to climate change and how can we mitigate them? By asking a more specific and actionable question, you'll get a more focused and useful answer. I started asking deeper questions, getting AI to explain tough concepts in simple terms, summarizing research papers, testing my understanding, even quizzing myself. If you use AI as a thinking partner, not a crutch, it can 10x your learning and make you sharper than ever. Second, use a challenge your assumptions and broaden your perspective. Third, use AI to your understanding. Finally, use AI as an accountability partner. We all know that the hardest part of learning is actually putting in the work. In conclusion, AI is a powerful tool that can 10x your learning if you use it as a thinking partner.